Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Reagan if you are new here, and today what we're going to be doing is an eye look using the Lime Crime Venus 2 palette. This is what it looks like. So a bunch of nice fun colors in there. So I'm going to do kind of a close to like an autumn fall look with these because I'm really leaning towards like these two colors here big time. They're really pretty, that mustard and the jam. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get started. So the first thing I'm going to go into is mustard, which is this one here. And we're going to really blow that out. Now I've already primed my eyes. Alright, then the next color I'm going to go into is this one here called Jam, and we're just going to blend that in the crease as well, just not as high up. Okay, and then what we're going to take is this color here called Mud, and we're going to put that all over the lid. Alright, and then what we're going to do is we're going to do a little bit of a half cut crease here. Alright, and then what we're going to do is we're going to put this color here, Pigeon, over where we just did the cut crease. I'm going to go back in with that red and just stamp it along there to do the blending out. Alright, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead off camera and do the rest of my face makeup and come back and finish up the eyes. I'll be back in just a moment. Alright, so I've got the rest of my face done, so we're going to go ahead and finish up with the lower lash line. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do that mustard, and I'm going to blow it out again underneath like I did on the top. Now I'm going to take that orange, the jam, and we're going to bring it a little bit closer to the lash line. And then I'm going to take that last color, Mud, and I'm going to put that really, really close to the lash line. I'm going to go ahead and pop on some mascara real quick. What I'm going to do with that little spot I got right there, just let it dry for a second, and then I'm going to brush it off with this fully. Alright, and to finish the look, I'm going to be using Lime Crime's liquid lipstick, the Velour Velveteen lipstick in a pumpkin. Alright, so here is the finished look using the Lime Crime Velveteen 2 palette. Nice, warm fall colors. So I hope that you enjoyed this video today. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you'll be reminded the next time I upload. Again, thank you for watching, and you have a great day.